Hello students, this is Mr. Parseghian. Previously, we learned how to write and balance a chemical equation. Many chemical reactions fall into a general pattern. In this lesson, we will be learning how to identify 5 different reaction types and the patterns they follow. In this first reaction, we begin with 2 different substances, an element, sodium, and a diatomic molecule, chlorine. The 2 substances combine to form a single substance, sodium chloride. We refer to this as a synthesis reaction. Synthesis reactions follow the pattern A plus B produces AB, although it is possible to have more than 2 reactants synthesize a single product. The second reaction type is the opposite of the first. Here we begin with a single reactant that breaks apart into 2 or more products. This is referred to as a decomposition reaction and follows the general form AB produces A plus B. In this particular reaction, water decomposes into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. We have seen this reaction in Chemistry A and have described this separation technique as electrolysis. In this reaction, we take a substance that contains the elements hydrogen and carbon, also known as a hydrocarbon, and react it with oxygen from the air. This reaction type typically produces a flame, and the products are always carbon dioxide and water, regardless of which hydrocarbon was used as a reactant. This reaction type is known as a combustion. There are many hydrocarbons, and we are familiar with several. C3H8 is known as propane. Many homes use propane as a fuel source for heat, as do gas grills. C4H10 is known as butane, which is used as the fluid, which is used for lighter fluid. C8H18 is octane and is used as fuel for automobiles. In this next reaction type, we see that copper is a solid reactant, but silver and nitrate ions are aqueous or dissolved in water. When the 2 are combined, silver is removed from the solution and becomes a solid, while copper is dissolved in the solution. When a solid replaces an ion in this way, we refer to it as a single replacement reaction. The reaction follows the general form A plus Bx produces B plus Ax. In our final reaction type, calcium and hydrogen switch the negative ion that they are paired with. Calcium begins the reaction paired with hydroxide ion, and hydrogen begins the reaction paired with chloride ion. When the 2 solutions are combined, calcium pairs with chloride ion and hydrogen with hydroxide. This is referred to as a double replacement reaction and follows the general pattern Ax plus By produces Ay plus Bx.